Hey everybody, this is Charlene from Fustini's of Petoskey. Today we're going to be making homemade tostadas from scratch because I have no tostada shells in my refrigerator, or corn tortillas or flour tortillas for that matter. So today we're going to be making corn tortillas, homemade corn tortillas, and you just use the masa harina or masa flour and follow the directions on the back of the bag. Except for you want to add a little bit, probably about 2 teaspoons worth of Persian Lime olive oil and just a little pinch of sea salt. And then you're going to just mix everything together with your hands until you get a nice cohesive ball like this. And it's going to kind of feel like Play-Doh. And then I'll show you how to divide it up after we divide it up into 16 equal pieces. And then we'll go from there. Okay, now that we have taken our one big dough ball and made them into 16 little dough balls, you want to take a damp paper towel and just lay it over them so they don't dry out while you're flattening out all the tortillas. So I have a tortilla press for corn tortillas, which is awesome, but if you don't, it's really not a big deal. You can either use a rolling pin or a bowl. So we're going to use the bottom of the bowl for this one. And what you want to do is take a Ziploc baggie and cut the edges, or cut the sides, so you can use it and just fold it over like this. Place the dough ball right in the center. Kind of flatten it a little bit with your hand. And then take your bowl and put right over top, and then just go ahead and put all your weight on that. So then you get your little tortillas like this. And then you're just going to want to take this out and then set it off to the side until you make the rest of them. Okay, now that we have our dough all pressed out, we are going to put them individually on a hot skillet, cast iron, over medium heat. And you want to flip them when they start getting those little brown spots from the cast iron in it. So we're going to go ahead and do all 16 like that. Now that we have all of our corn tortillas cooked, from here you can either fry them in some sort of high heat oil such as avocado oil, or you can leave them as is and make soft tacos with them, or open face tacos. It's up to you, but these are a hint of lime. I use the lime oil. You can also use chipotle oil, garlic oil, cayenne crush oil. Up to you. Have fun. All right, here's our finished product. Everybody made their own, whatever toppings they wanted to put on there. Got some chicken, got some black beans. So now it's time to just enjoy. Thanks for tuning in.